down on top of that
No,
stone?
just here. All this we have asthma. You see here, all the asthma. All these are asthma. All over. This row. And then call it all these are asthma. All over this. They put the light there, just start of the head. Oh, they roll the body now. This place was full of blood. All over, even down here, everywhere. This is where they were cooking. They are killing people, rolling them down that side. The hyenas now fit from the other side. Because the corridor was this side. The courtyard was there, the judgment point. Those one who are picked, the corridor is the other side. We are moving from here.
Okay.
That line is a natural line, that's a false line. The weak point, now the road is going to break. Yeah, when people do quarry work, they put wire there, you break. Strong one is physically seen, but beauty beyond the behold, how somebody look at somebody. That's how the judges were. It was not a single judge. They were bringing different judges. You pick yours, you go. You leave for other people. If you are picked, this is your corridor. That means the successful one to be transported to Dant, because the exit is this side, the north is here. Yeah. Now, if you are picked from here, you are taken the other side to Dant. If you are not picked, that means you are taken there. Because why are they killing these people? Because they want to keep the information within, so that no one can get the information. Okay. That's why it took long. What was happening? It took long for them to stay for 19 years here. Because other people were like thinking, even people from Bunyoro, they were thinking now people are enjoying life there. Here, but no one now was coming out. You cannot tell what was happening. Either you are taken or you are killed from that side. That's what the Arabs were doing. That's why during even the war time, when you're coming, like for the drivers, when you're coming, people have trauma. You know, we suffered that way, we come in, the rebels were here also, you know, people see that. But now they are changing, people are now settled. And those are the things we teach the children when they come. We receive a lot of school children coming here. During that time for PLE, Senior 6 and Senior 4 for the examination. We teach them, we answer their questions and we give them the bad part of violence and conflict. And about this. But now these days we are doing a modern slavery because you buy your own ticket. Okay?
And you go for
and you go for that. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. They also organize it.
Yeah, that's good. When you see how they put the granary, the base of the granary, they used to put reef like that and they put the top with mud. But when they were preserving, they failed to put it now. Yeah.
So initially they came in as good people.
They were good friends, like the way I welcome you people. Because now, after staying 3 days, you have seen I don't have anything. You started now. What brought you? Yeah. Led by the Ugandan government. Yeah. To strengthen, not to collapse. Yeah. But the stone is original stone. Yeah. Yeah, moving from this side.
Sasa wangali kai. Chuka. Duka.